Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to refund games on the PlayStation 5. Refunding games is a process that allows you to get your money back if you are not satisfied with the game or if you change your mind about purchasing it. To begin the refund process for a PlayStation 5 game, follow the steps. 1. First, log into your PlayStation Network account, which is the same account you used to purchase the game. 2. Head over to your purchase history in the PlayStation Store. This is located in the top right corner of the screen, under your profile picture. 3. Locate the game you would like to refund and click on it. This will take you to the game details page. 4. Click on the green Request Refund button located next to the game. 5. A dialog box will pop up. This asks you for your reason for requesting the refund. Choose the appropriate option, which could be either a refund due to dissatisfaction with the game or a change of heart regarding its purchase. 6. Provide any additional information requested by the PlayStation Store team, such as your customer account number or a brief description of your issue. 7. Wait for the response from the PlayStation Store. They will review your request and either confirm the refund or provide instructions on how to complete the process locally. 8. If your refund is approved, it will appear in your account within a few days. If not, reach out to the PlayStation Store team for further assistance. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily refund games on the PlayStation 5 and get your money back if needed.